Hi, this is the TCL for A08 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. After that go to the settings and tap to Google Assistant section. Then tap here to Hey Google and voice match and you'll see here Hey Google switcher. Just tap once on the switcher and after that here you should click to next, read the description, tap to yes I agree, pick continue, tap to not now. And now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want an assistant to recognize your voice, you could change or add your voice model. Just tap here to retain voice model and now just repeat after the assistant. After that just tap to finish and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.